Everyone, good morning. This is Ravi welcoming you to my channel. See, today I will capture some videos close to nature related to the giant tree. See the stem of this giant tree. It has grown up in the adverse situation over this place, but the only things which makes this tree to grow is his willpower to grow. Willpower in human being, in animals, in plants plays a major role in the development of overall things. Actually, this is a very giant and huge tree. We don't have right now any instrument for its carbon dating and calculating the age, but from my experience, I think that this tree will certainly attain 40 years of his life. See the branches and the leaves, how gentle and majestic look of this tree is. Actually, on the plain reason, we find ample amount of trees with favorable conditions for them to grow, but here in this deserty land, actually Thar desert, it is very difficult for any tree for their survival. So behind this tree, another tree is there, which is a neem tree, very much useful. It provides full of oxygen to us in the early morning time. When anybody will come to the nearby this tree, they get ample amount of oxygen, as it has been truly said by science that oxygen much more quantity is released by neem tree, peepal tree, and banyan tree. So this is the huge majestic tree. Every day this tree marks his presence over the sunlight and sunset. So actually this tree has witnessed 40 years of his life without stopping. It has beared the rain, it has beared the cold, and it has beared every kind of adverse situation, but survived itself. It's a tremendous quality by that tree, that standing alone in this deserty area also teaches us that we should be confident and stand bold on our decisions. Actually, in nature's every creature teaches us. So see the giant majestic branches covering all over. Certainly they will provide a shadow for many animals and human beings. This majestic tree. The leaves have been also spreaded to the entire surface, covering a large amount of area. So in the morning as well as in the evening, the shadow it provides and in the even afternoon time the shadow it will provide will very useful for animals as well as human beings. And even I come every day and spend few time near this tree because I'm very much close to nature. And nature mother has created everything in a fantastic way and in an ordered manner that each and every creature of mother nature is very beautiful. So look at this lush green tree, a neem tree, how wonderfully it is growing over there. And behind that there is another tree, and next adjacent to this is another tree. So the trees plays vital role in our life, is a very good you know living beings. I will not say them the static one, because one of the pioneer experts of our country, Mr. Jagdish Chandra Bose, has already studied and calculated the things that yes, even trees have the memory, even trees talk, and even we can't consider them the static bodies. They are living beings. Even they have the feelings, they have the senses. So thanks to him for wonderful message to the world. But here our context is to come close to nature, to enjoy the wonderful memorable moments of nature, to capture the things in our eyes which will be a very wonderful moments. And any person, anybody in the world can heal himself or herself when he or she will come close to the nature. I am experiencing it, ladies and gentlemen. This is not my personal experience, it has been proven fact, and many great scientists as well as the doctors also predicted, and they have researched that when we come close to the nature, nature has tremendous power to heal our sorrow, to heal our disease. Nowadays why people are losing health? Because they are deviating from the path, they are not coming close to the nature, they have stuck themselves within the limits. So go beyond the limit and come close to the nature in the early morning if you want to heal yourself. So thank you very much. I will not take more time. Thanks a lot for paying attention to my channel, to my videos. Thank you.